headed there. We're over here at the loop. And we're going to grab a couple of these Teslas going on the ground. We're locals, but we parked over here. Save ourselves the walking. Hey guys, it's Bill with Let's Talk Dubs. I'm here at the SEMA Show 2025 and we're here perusing the halls and we ran across something super cool here that's made by Tremec. And I'm here with Joe Dietrich from
Dietrich's Motorsports.
Dietrich's Motorsports, and we're talking about the Tremec transaxle. So tell me a little bit about the transaxle here and what the potential uses for this thing are.
There's a huge market that's open in this area. This one here is made, it's a 6-speed. And the parameters and everything is kind of made almost on the same thing that we did the DCT, that Tremec made the DCT for the C8 Corvette.
Okay.
So, and it's not specifically made for that, but everything that is kind of in line with the same plane for that.
And this is a brand new design, kind of built to really evolve aftermarket performance and stuff like that with this thing. Like this could go directly into big high horsepower sand cars, people that are using
many applications, even retrofitting to like an old Tomaso
okay,
GT40
Pantera, that type of stuff.
Absolutely,
yeah.
Absolutely.
And this is rated for how much power?
This one here is rated at, I think it's
like 1,100 pounds of torque and 1,000 horsepower.
1,100 Newton meters is what we have this one rated, and all of those are still going to be open. This is kind of a prototype build. We don't have those final figures, but it'll be in that area right there.
And so this just opens up the potential for all type of rear engine applications and mid-engine applications where you could do because really what's been the option before is just using a Mendiola basically, or what's the other one, Liberty.
You've got Quaife. You have a few manufacturers, but they're different and they're not perfect fitment for them.
Right.
And what we're trying to do is get a perfect fitment for a generality for the most of them, and that's what we're coming up with this one unit.
And well, I mean, I think this unlocks a huge potential in the aftermarket space for a lot of rear engine, mid-engine type deals, and it's cable shift, and you can get it all set up where it's either on a shifter or on a paddle shift.
Right, you can. It'll have a load cell sensor, so you can tie it into your ECU for rev matching and that type of stuff as well.
Okay, well, cool. Yeah, I appreciate it. I mean, I think it's something cool, and I think it's something kind of revolutionary. This is a big thing. You guys have got a lot of good response on this weekend?
We have. This has been, the buzz is all right here. We have a lot of great things going, but this has kind of stole the show.
Yeah. No, that's great. Well, hey, I appreciate your time. Thanks.
Thank you very much, Bill.